Good morning, Transylvania. It is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. I want to draw your attention to the post I made early this morning explaining the Third and Fourth Amendments to the United States Constitution. The Third Amendment was in response to the British Quartering Acts, and what it enabled during the Revolutionary War was for Americans to refuse entry of British troops or American troops into civilians' homes in peacetime. And it's often considered a relic of history because we haven't had troops in our homelands demanding entry into our homes in a long time. But it's back in a big way because the Third Amendment actually is a foundational principle of private property rights here in the United States. Yes, it's about quartering soldiers in your homes, that you don't have to do that in peacetime, but that legal principle extends to private property in general. So right now, Hendrick Automotive in Charlotte is catching a lot of flack because they sold ICE $2.5 million in vehicles, okay? Well, just so you know, Hendrick Automotive could have said, under our Third Amendment rights, we're going to refuse service to government federal agents. And under the Fourth Amendment, those federal agents cannot enter your private property without a warrant. So if you own a restaurant or a hotel or a car dealership or any service provider or any small business, or any business at all, you can say, I have my Third Amendment right to refuse entry to federal agents, and on the Fourth Amendment, you guys cannot enter without a warrant signed by a judge according to the due process of law. And that's how you flex your rights and protect your private property. Because in this country, which is a republic of citizens, not subjects, our private property is our domain, and we have rights to it separate from federal government interference. And that is thanks to the Third Amendment and the Fourth Amendment. So read those amendments and read my post and learn how to flex your rights and keep each other safe. You heard?